Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you a simple method to create cone in FreeCAD. If you want to do it, first you need to create a new empty file, and after that you need to go to create body. Now you need to select here create sketch option, and then you need to select XY plane and click OK button. Now we need to click on this one icon and select here create circle by center, and I create here a simple circle, maybe something like that. I click somewhere here to add it, and I click close. Now we need to change mode from part design to part, and here we need to click on this one icon, create primitives, creation of parameterized geometric primitives. Then we need to click on this one list and we need to click on point. Now on Z we need to type for example 50, then we need to click create and we need to click close. Then we need to click on this one icon, loft utility to loft, and we need to select sketch and click right arrow. Then we need to select vertex and click right arrow, and we need to select create solid. Now I click OK button, and how you see cone has been successfully created here. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's solved your problem.